In the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can turn your Facebook profile into a Facebook page where you can actually monetize and create more content to make money via the Facebook platform. Now, you guys have actually mostly seen that these days people are creating more and more content on Facebook, and you're asking, why are these guys moving over to Facebook and they're creating more content on this platform? What is exactly happening on the Facebook space? What am I missing out on? And one of the things that you guys don't know is that there are a lot of creators on Facebook creating content these days because they've actually found out a way to monetize their Facebook content and make a lot of money from the Facebook platform. And this is exactly what I want to share with you guys today, because here I'm going to share with you how you can turn your simple Facebook profile into a Facebook page and you can actually get to monetize it to earn money from the platform. But then Facebook actually considered the fact that people have actually built their Facebook profile over their years of being on Facebook, and it's actually quite unfair that for you to get monetized, you now have to start afresh building a page, right? It can actually be a lot of pain and a lot of hard work to do. And I actually love the fact that they've been able to roll out this particular feature that allows you to turn your profile into a page and you can actually monetize it, and beyond that, get several other insights from your Facebook page. Now, in order to turn your Facebook profile into a Facebook page, you actually want to be looking at what we call the Facebook Professional mode. So the Facebook Professional mode is the particular feature that would allow us to be able to assess all of the possibilities that a page will have when it comes to monetization and also other features as well, which is more insights on our content and even more reach. And when you actually come over here, you can see on my screen right now that Facebook here, you can see the professional mode, and it says here, what is the professional mode? This basically allows you to build a public presence as a creator and maintain your personal friends and family experience from one place on Facebook. Okay, so you don't have to start doing it via your page or whatever it is. Now, the professional mode gives you a bundle of professional tools, monetization products if you are eligible, right? If you're eligible, and safety features that can help you build your professional presence and global community from your personal profile. All right. So it says you're turning on the professional mode doesn't create a separate profile. The feature bundle is added to your existing profile. Right, so here are reasons why you should use the Facebook Professional mode. One is you can become a creator on Facebook and build a public following. It gives you access to professional tools and enhanced safety features on your personal profile. And if you meet the eligibility requirements for monetization programs, you get monetized and you can earn money from creating content on Facebook. Okay, so this is actually the very first side where you are able to earn money from creating content on Facebook. Now, when we look at the requirements before you are eligible for monetization on Facebook, you need to hit, you can see here, 5,000 followers, and you should also have 60,000 total eligible minutes viewed in the last 60 days. Right, so this actually explains why content creators on Facebook are always churning out content right there back to back. Now, another thing to also note is that eligibility is actually based on your current location. But then, guys, this is basically it. And now, in order to switch to the professional mode, what you want to basically do is to go over and tap on your profile. Now, once you're in here where you can see your profile, you basically just want to come over and tap on these 3 dots down here. Okay, you want to tap on these 3 dots right here. That's this icon, and once you do that, you want to see turn on professional mode right here. You can see it here, right? And you're going to tap on it, turn on professional mode. Now, once you actually do this, you want to see all of the features it's bringing to you. You can get paid for your content, you can grow your audience, you can see content insights, and you can be discovered with mentions. Now, once you have this, you want to click on turn on. Okay, it's very simple and fast and straightforward. You want to click on turn on, and once you click on turn on, you're going to see it says welcome to professional mode. Explore all of the ways that you can use professional mode to make the most. And you just want to start exploring, or you want to click on done. But this is exactly what professional mode brings for you, because right here you can see that you get more, right? You get more. And right here on my screen is your dashboard that would show you everything: your reach, your engagement, your new followers, on your profile, which is already been turned to a page already. Okay, and you can review all of your content right inside of this professional dashboard overview for you. All right, but then, guys, there's some times where you get to turn on your professional mode and then you get an error like this one on your profile, which will not allow you to post anything on Facebook. Okay, And you can actually see that on my screen right now because I actually got this error. And this was due to the fact that I had not confirmed my identity with Facebook as at that point. So what you want to basically do is to follow the steps from your settings, and you can actually confirm your identity by uploading one of your passport photographs or your IDs that is requested of you. And once you do this, you confirm your identity, then your account is actually opened up and you can continue creating content on the Facebook platform. You see, Facebook is really very huge, and I would say it is slowly an opportunity for most people who are looking to get monetized, with their content and start making money in the online space. And this is really why I always say that these days there is more opportunities for you to make money. There is more chance to actually, earn so much more for yourself online. All you need to do is to find these opportunities and jump on them. All right, an alternative to this is actually starting up a YouTube channel and you getting to create content to where you're able to monetize your channel and you can make money from it. And this is really where you actually want to watch this particular video right now, because here I shared more insights on how you can actually scale up your YouTube channel and make a lot of money from it. Okay, so you actually want to ask me more questions or get more insights on several things like this and how to make money, you want to join my Telegram group. The link is going to be down there in the description. So you can click on the link and join this Telegram group where I share more insights on a couple of things I do and how I make money online. All right, see you in the Telegram group. And with this, you can go ahead and watch this video right now. Peace.